In this video, I want to talk about how to solve an exponential equation by using natural logarithms when we're looking for decimal answers. So basically what we need to do is we need to figure out how to solve for x using a natural logarithm. So the great thing to remember is that you can always take the natural logarithm of both sides, and that's going to get rid of your e for the most part. So let's look at what we would do. So here we have e to some power equals 7. So if we take the natural logarithm of both sides, then we have ln of e to the x plus 2 equals the natural log of 7. So then what we can do is when we have a log with an exponent, we can take that exponent and bring it down to the front and multiply. So we have x plus 2 times the natural log of e. Now you know that those are inverse functions of each other, so this is just equal to 1. Another thing that you can do is just think when you're right here, the natural log and e to the power are inverse functions of each other, so this is really just x plus 2. So the natural log of e is just 1, so we don't really need to write that. And that is equal to the natural log of 7. So x plus 2 equals the natural log of 7. So then we can subtract 2 from both sides. So we have x equals the natural log of 7 minus 2. Now the natural log of 7, this isn't equal to the natural log of 5. This is the natural log of 7 and then minus 2. So if you go ahead and put that in your calculator, you should be able to get natural log of 7 is 1.94 or something minus 2 is equal to negative, so x is equal to, as a decimal, negative 0.05. And then just round to the number of decimal places that they're asking you to round, and that's it. So let's go ahead and try the pink one. So the first thing I need to do here is I need to get e by itself. So I'm dividing both sides by 3. So we get e to the 2y equals 8 over 3. Now that we have e by itself, we want to use the natural log to get rid of the e. So we're going to take the natural log of both sides, and then remember that natural log and e are inverses of each other, or you can bring down the 2y, however you see it, but what's going to happen is this is just going to be 2y on the left-hand side equals the natural log of 8 over 3. And then we're going to have to take whatever this is and divide it by 2, because we need to divide both sides by 2. So y is going to equal the natural log of 8 over 3, which we're going to put into our calculator first, and then we're going to divide that by 2. So natural log of 8 over 3, let's see, 3. So the natural log of 8 over 3 divided is like 0.98 divided by 2 should give you 0.49. And that is how you solve an exponential equation using natural logarithms when you're looking for a decimal as your final answer.